Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on screensaver on MacBook. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. A screensaver is an image usually animated that appears on your Mac screen after a period of inactivity. It usually appears on your screen when you haven't done anything a few minutes. If you want to turn on this feature, turn on the screensaver on your MacBook, it's so simple. So first, you can just go to your settings on your MacBook or the system preferences on your MacBook. You can just click on your system preferences on here. Now, we'll reopen. Wait, I will reopen the system preferences to show you at the first. So there's an option desktop and screensaver. You can just click on that. Now you'll find there's an option desktop and screensaver. Because we want to turn on the screensaver, you can just go to screensaver, click on screensaver. Here you can choose the screensaver that you want to use for your MacBook. Maybe for the example, you can choose like this. Hello. To turn this on, you can checklist on the show screen after, and you can choose on the time range. Do you want to show the screensaver after 1 hour or 5 minutes or 10 minutes? For example, we choose on 5 minutes. So your MacBook screensaver will appear after 5 minutes. You don't use your MacBook. It's so simple, right? So that is how to turn on screensaver on your MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.